Hi friends, welcome back to Wisdom Academy YouTube channel. This is 3 Minute Factoid. In my last video, I have talked about time travel and I concluded by saying that whether is it possible to go with a speed more than speed of light or at least go with speed of light, because what I told you in the previous video that if we go for a speed more than speed of light, then the time starts traveling backward. So this made some confusion with some people, because some people started asking me that if you are saying time has got increased, then how did you say that the person who is going with the speed of light, for him the time taken will be less? So I will explain this once again to you about time dilation. So time dilation is a concept in which the time for an object traveling with speed of light or near to speed of light, for him the time slows down. Now there is a catch: slows down and time becomes more. I'll explain it in the easiest possible way. I told you that speed is equal to distance by time, and I said you that as the distance has got increased, then the time also should increase to compensate the speed to be constant, because if time remains same, then the speed will change of light, which is not true, because speed of light in any medium is always constant. So when this distance got increased, time got increased, and when the time got increased, why the people who are going for a time travel, like in the movie Interstellar, when he has gone to he has gone to space and came back to Earth, he saw that his daughter itself became very old. Then how the time became less for him? It should be more. Why? I'll tell you one thing. Take two examples of two clocks. This clock and this clock. Now, for completing 1 minute, this is second hand. So for completing one minute, the second hand has to tick for 60 times. So it will tick for 60 times, or I'll say 60 seconds it will take to complete this one round, one revolution. But if the object is going with the speed of light or near to speed of light, and for him the time has increased, then to complete this round, this one round, the time taken by him will be more. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? That in this case, which is the case when the object is on Earth, and this is the case when the object has gone to space with velocity almost equal to velocity of light. So what has happened? I'm saying that time has got increased. Time for what has got increased? Time for completing that 1 minute has got increased. So now if on Earth 1 minute has got, like suppose the needle started from here and reached once again here. After taking one down, it reached once again here. This needle would have reached only here, because for him the time taken for traveling a distance has reduced. I hope you have understood what is the concept of time dilation. Now let me tell you, why can't we do time travel? Because for doing time travel, the most essential requirement is reaching the speed of light. Now you remember the famous Einstein's equation, E is equal to mc square, which says that this is energy, this is mass, and c is speed of light. So to achieve the speed of light, if I write c square, that is equal to E by m. Now what we have observed, it is observed in special theory of relativity that as the speed of any object is increasing, its mass also starts increasing. Now some of you may ask me, but mass is constant. Mass is constant in classical mechanics, but in relativity theory it is not. So in special theory of relativity, mass becomes variant. I will make some other video about talking about that. Now since the mass got increased, mass is increasing, to reach the speed of light, too much energy is required, and it is found that the energy requirement to reach the speed of light is almost infinite. So we cannot provide that much energy for an object to compensate the increase in mass, and so we cannot reach speed of light. When we cannot reach speed of light, we cannot think of time travel as per today's theories. Someone may come in the future, they may talk about time travel, but why we cannot do time travel? This is the reason for that. So with this friends, I will wind up. Sorry for taking some extra time. Please like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.